Guys, she's already regretting because a lot of ladies are coming out to say, Vuyokazi, the guy that you were posting kissing, he's all over our DMs. He's a loser. From Pumelelo to Jonas, we are very disappointed by you, Vuyokazi. So guys, the boyfriend and I has came out to respond to the current situation. So let's get to start of today. No, the rest of the houses, someone peace and welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment, a happy Thursday, happy sisters. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. So guys, all tendo as also respond by saying jealousy, it's a disease. I'm a lover boy, I love gay. Again, he went on to say the body is what the body is. Guys, over your guys, she also posted Lapana on Facebook on her story to say oops. It means that she's regretting for posting the video, guys, kissing her new boyfriend Tendo, guys, from Venda. He's a rich young man who's doing well for himself. So guys, people are saying he's laughing wherever he is. The fences are at Relo, they are happy. To us who don't even know who is Tendo Zozo, so people are saying she's now a body that's settled for everything. Some are saying a rent is due, so obvious guys, she will do anything to get Imalia rent, guys. Posting videos after drinking is never a good idea. Guys, bindi uyahleka guys, from bed to west. People are saying a lot of stuff. Umpumelelo was never a problem. Definitely they knew how to, because this is the last Jonas, guys. So people are saying a lot of stuff about Vuyokazi's new boyfriend. Some are saying you hi Vuyokazi now, and after everything that you have done for yourself, you go and settle no Zozo, guys. People are saying Vuyokazi, you are a brand. It's very important to be careful what you post. Who do you date? Oh guys, Vuyokazi, she's not just Vuyokazi, guys. She is a brand, you know. She doesn't want to end up like Abu Michalin Damasi. You still remember when Michalin Damasi was dating Leroy, guys, that was her downfall. Look at now, yes, she's still famous, but people look at Michelle as this girl like, when I get a 75 missed call, leave us alone. So over your guys, she needs to be very careful. So anyway guys, it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section what do you think about it. So do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment.